If you feel like giving up, this message is specifically for you. If you are someone who has started something like a business, or maybe you tried to go back to school, but you were trying something and it failed, or maybe you are thinking of starting something like an online business and you're worried, will I fail? You're worried about wasting your time. This message is specifically for you because I understand exactly what you're going through, and I'm hoping that my story will be able to bring encouragement to you. So, about 10 or 14 years ago, I don't remember, I created this DVD here. It was a digital product where I was teaching people how to make money or grow their businesses using Facebook pages and Facebook groups. Now, I don't know if you can really see clearly there, but that skinny guy there, that's me. That's me a while back. And at that time, this was a very great and good idea because lots of business owners didn't know how to do that. But the problem that I had was that this was the first time I launched a product or a business idea, and I was trying to use it to create this life of freedom and financial well being that I always wanted. Because it was my first time that product flopped. In 2 years of selling this product, I only sold 7 copies. Imagine you are saying that you are a guru or you are someone who can help people to grow their businesses online, but you can't even grow your own. Do you know what that does to you on the inside? It makes you feel like an imposter. It makes you feel like you're not good enough. It makes you feel like you're a liar. And then lastly, it makes you feel like you do not deserve success that other people have. And that started affecting me a lot because I would get some job interviews, I would find opportunities to make money. And not that those opportunities were for me, but I personally, because internally I was struggling and believing that I was not good enough, I started finding ways to sabotage myself and lose those opportunities. Maybe you are in a similar situation right now that there are things happening around you, but for some reason, good things happen to other people and not you. It's not necessarily to say that the universe is against you or God doesn't support you or is not on your side. But sometimes the problem begins in our minds. And because of the way that we think, we end up sabotaging ourselves and making sure that those opportunities that come to us, they don't work for our good. So my encouragement to you today is this was my story 10, 14, I don't remember how long ago it was. This was my story back then, but it didn't end there because the same thing that I tried to do then, I'm now doing. I live in South Africa, and at this point, I've generated over 4.1 million rands by creating and selling digital products. If you are in another country, that's about $200,000 in revenue by doing this exact same thing that I failed. Now, I'm not saying that it's going to take you 10 to 14 years for you to start succeeding. The reason why it took me so long is because I didn't learn or know what I'm trying to tell you in this video. And this is what I'm trying to say. Don't give up. Don't give in. Remain committed to that thing that you want, and eventually it's going to work for you. But there are things that you can do to accelerate that progress, right? Things that you can do now that will make you get the result that you want faster. The first one is that you should not give up. The second one is that you need to fill yourself with information that will help you to get that result faster. Most people have been brainwashed to think that they need to go back to school to get some form of an education for their lives to change. Let me tell you, schools are a business. Schools are a way of making money for someone. They will give you information with the hope that it will change your life, but they don't really consider whether that information will really change your life. For example, I work in the online space, the digital marketing space, and there are different businesses, there are schools, there are colleges that teach this as a subject. But the funny thing is that digital marketing changes on a daily basis, meaning that if you do a 3-year degree, by the time you finish that degree, everything that you have learned is already outdated. But those school institutions, they don't really care. They just want to take your money. So stop looking for some new degree or some diploma to change your life. What will change your life is you finding the right information that can make a difference in your life. And as someone who creates content on YouTube, I'd recommend that you use platforms like YouTube to learn. to learn information that can change your way of thinking and learn information that you can apply now. Because there are lots of people who are creating content just like I am. They're sharing content and helping people. But you just need to be willing to take your phone and not just use it as a source of entertainment all the time, but use it as something that's going to help you to grow. Now I can afford to pay people from around the world to teach me different stuff because now I can afford expensive courses. But in order to get there, I self-educated myself, right? And you can do the same thing for yourself as well. But it starts off with you not giving up. And then secondly, you choosing to educate yourself with the right knowledge, with the right information that's going to change your life. So you might feel overwhelmed right now. You might feel like you want to give up. You might feel like the world is against you and you're not going anywhere. But guess what? You can change your life right now. I'm not saying you're going to change your life in just one day or in one instant, but you can start taking the actions that will make sure that your future you is going to be happy, it's going to be taken care of, it's going to be wealthy, and your life will never be the same again. Just don't give up and start taking actions. Start learning things that will help you to change your life. Now, I teach people different ways of creating income online. If you're interested in learning one of the ways that I recommend that you can create income for yourself to be able to take care of yourself and your family, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. This is not for everyone. It's not a miracle cure to say that just by you doing this, then suddenly your life will change. It works for specific people who are goal-oriented, people who want to increase and change their lives by creating and selling digital products, which is basically you taking your knowledge, you taking your experiences, or you taking your passions and turning them into products that solve problems for other people. And then you can sell that. That's exactly what I do for a living. That's exactly what I was trying to do 10, 14 years ago. But it's now something that I have excelled in. And I want to show you how to do it. So if you're interested in that, the link is going to be in the description of this video. Take care.